Since year 2000, Vardhan came into inception, and after that, we have treated maybe more than 10,000 infertile couples, and we have been able to give pregnancies through ART procedures. Vardhan Medical Center is providing all facilities of investigations and treatment under one roof since its inception. So patient doesn't have to go for their investigations or for any such investigations outside Vardhan. A patient comes here only with the option that they will be definitely adopting a single line of treatment which is ultimate and which has a better pregnancy rate, that is IVF. So test tube triplets, and accordingly the patient is down-regulated or patient can be programmed for antagonist cycles. So this is how we take a patient for an IVF program in Vardhan, and we have seen the more stringent we are into seeing their all reports, they have to undergo all their investigation procedures, the more successful we are.
हमारे पास पेशेंट्स जो आते हैं वो डिफरेंट मेडिकल डिसऑर्डर्स के होते हैं जो कि अदरवाइज इट्सेल्फ पेशेंट को मैनेज करना डिफिकल्ट होता है एंड मैनेजिंग द मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम अलॉन्ग विद द प्रेगनेंसी एंड दैट टू इन एक्सट्रीम्स ऑफ एज ग्रुप्स एंड डिफरेंट फैक्टर्स वर्किंग ऑल टुगेदर मेक्स अ वेरी रियल डिफरेंस. हमारे यहाँ पे पेशेंट्स 23 वीक्स पे भी कोई प्रॉब्लम लेके आते हैं, जैसे पानी छूट जाना या जिसके कारण से बाकी जगहों पे ऐसा होता है कि बच्चा हाथ से चला जाता है. यहाँ पे इतना हो चुका है कि पेशेंट्स विद 23 वीक्स प्रेगनेंसीज कमिंग विद कॉम्प्लिकेशन हैव टेकन द बेबी बैक टू देयर होम सेफली.
A privilege of Vardhan's treatment, a couple coming from Canada after 23 years of marriage, getting an IVF done and having triplets from Vardhan, which were the first triplets Vardhan had given for a Canadian NRI couple. A female at the age of 56 lost her son at the age of 22 years, getting an IVF done with a donor egg program, conceiving in the first attempt and finally delivering twin males. We have a privilege of a patient who had a polio in childhood, finally getting married to a normal male and getting an IVF done. She had conceived in the first attempt, getting a female. Now again she came for an IVF treatment from Vardhan after her daughter became 4 years, and now she's pregnant with a twin pregnancy, which is a remarkable achievement that patient has made, the dedication of the Vardhan team and the spirit what she had shown to become a mother again.